Traders, I'm looking at the UK100, the FTSE. Let's scrunch this up on the daily time frame here and have a look at this from a bigger perspective. You know, we could do the same. We could go out to the weekly or the monthly, but here we have a strong trend, bit of a dip, and look what's happening here. We'll go out to the monthly just quickly, monthly time frame. See how it was trending with a vengeance, and we're getting this sort of topping price action. The other thing that we'll do is go back in time, because I think there's a seasonality aspect to this. Look at this trend and see how it's shifted gears here. And I'm thinking we see a sell-off. Let's just go down to the daily time frame. You know, we've got this move here, but it's reaching into these highs over here. And I'm thinking that this resistance could send it south. I'm inclined to sell at this level with a stop above these highs here. Something like that. This swing here, I would target this level here. Trail the price with your stop loss, and then there's another target. Okay, let's just go back in time and see what happens at around the end of February. Here we are, 2023. All right, we'll go there, go to 2023, and look what happened. There's a seasonality aspect to this, definitely. Let's go back to 2022. Same time, end of Feb into March. Look at this, same thing. End of Feb into March. Look at that, end of Feb. We get this big sell-off. 2022, 2021. Interesting when we look back in time, isn't it? Well, 2021, what do we get here? Let's get a bit closer to it. End of Feb 2021 we get, well, there's from the 18th, 17th of Feb. Bit of a sell-off. We did get something. Let's go back to 2020. You've got to go back a few years and pick up an average over a 5 or a 10-year period. Look at this, 2020. You can see the seasonality aspect, given that it's behaving in a similar fashion at the same time. 2019, every end of Feb. All right, we've got it here. End of Feb, sell-off. 2019, 18. Okay, you see where I'm going with this? There is a seasonality aspect to this. There you go. 18th of Feb. And look at that. If we follow this concept, 18, 17, go to every single year at the end of February, we see, here it is, 20th of Feb. You know, we do get this sell-off. 2016, so we've gone back quite a few years now, and every year has given us exactly the same result, except for 2016 with a bit of a dip. Interesting stuff. I'll go one more. 2015. Seasonality. Go to, yep, there it is. End of Feb, and then we get a bit of a dippity-doo-dah into March. So with that, let's just head back over to reset our chart view. See, it's traded into this high, and I mean, it makes sense to me, given that this is overextended. We are trading into resting orders up here. I mean, we've got stop losses sitting up here prior to this move, so it's taken out these stops in here, tapping into this. I think this resistance pushes this over. So I'm going to go for a short with the UK100. Stop, well, I mean, look, we've got these highs. Yeah, it's going to be a swing trade. So let's go something like this. Short position, current price level, stop above, target 2. Well, there's a 3R risk reward right there. So we could look at a short position trend-based fib extension. Now, understand the risk. I mean, it's paid off every year over the last 10 or so. Well, there's TP1, there's TP2, and a possible 3R result. Guys, that's my take on the UK100. Definitely leave a comment if you feel inclined to do so down below. I sincerely hope you found some value in the video, and if you did, a thumbs up would be awesome. And here's an invite to jump on board our VIP Telegram Signals channel, completely free for 30 days. There's a 30-day trial. We aim to have a winning week every week, and we've been achieving that. It's incredible value. Not only do you get our live trade signals, there's our educational videos, and you gain access to our Tradingview indicators. The other thing that I'd like to invite you to check out is our Forex account management service. If you're struggling to be profitable with your trading, this is definitely worth consideration. Go to the website, you'll see the link, and you can click this widget here. This will take you to the FX Blue page where you'll be able to track the progress of the master account we're using. And make sure you watch this video, as that'll give you all the details on the Forex account management service. So with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.